Novo Nordisk, and this is Gary's edition, is a Danish pharma company which focuses on diabetes treatments and hormones.
Yeah, so diabetes, of course, is a very persistent condition and there's a lot of spending involved there. So this one is front and center. It's got some of the leading products in that particular space.
Market cap here, $119 billion, price to earnings ratio of 22.2 and a dividend yield of 0.9%, almost 1% dividend yield.
Yeah, looking at Novo, I mean, again, it's a little bit different from the rest because it focuses on diabetes medication. And I mean, we've seen a growth in diabetes across the world. Again, you know, if we look at the share price chart, you're going to see a little bit of a drop-off at the end. And that was Novolog, which was one of their blockbuster drugs from the 90s, coming off patent. But they've got very interesting things in their pipe, a very, very strong pipeline of new diabetes drugs coming in. One of the things that we are excited about is their oral diabetes drugs. So in the past, where you had to inject your insulin, now you're actually going to be able to just take it orally, and the early tests are showing that the efficiency is almost identical to the injection form of it. But yeah, looking at it a little bit cheaper on a historic PE than the rest of the companies.
And is this why it stands out for you?
Yeah, I think it does. I mean, I think with a little sell-off, we were surprised to see that the Novolog coming off patent just pulled the share price down like it did, because that should have been expected by the market, but obviously maybe not completely priced in. So getting in here, we think definitely. I mean, we've probably got 19% upside in the next 12 months, which puts it ahead of most of the other guys in the sector.
Yep, and it is Denmark's #1 company by far. You know, the largest constituent of the stock exchange in Copenhagen. But you can buy them in New York too with that code NVOADR. So it looks good to me.
Yep. You're calling it hot?
Yeah, hot.